Okay, hi guys. First, using your interactive projector, you want to make sure that you have the application open, which I can tell that mine is open because I have the two arrows on other sides of my screen. If I do not have this open and I cannot find the shortcut, I can always open Start and put in Easy Interactive Tools, and this will come up. So that is what the program is called, in case you do need to start that. So when I do start this, I should have these two things pop up. One is my annotation bar, and the other one helps to save, has some of these other tools, and also allows me to switch between whiteboard mode and just regular annotation mode. So it is really helpful. As you can see, we weren't able to show this when we were all together because it was a little too small. But you can see now that when you hover over things, it actually tells you what they do. So if you're ever lost at finding something in particular, you can just hover over it and it lets you know what things are and where things are. And so you can choose to always show these toolbars. You can choose to close these toolbars. This one is essential because this is what you use to save anything that you've done on this screen. And this one is all those other tools. So this is where we had the magnifier, the spotlight, the shade, and then some of the other tools that aren't necessarily available to us yet. But here's where your settings are. These currently aren't hooked up to printers or necessarily your document cameras. So those buttons won't actually do anything, but hopefully someday in the future. So just a little reminder here that you have all access to these tools like this, or you can go into whiteboard mode. So going into whiteboard mode, I hope you can still see this, is just like this, and you have the ability to write. Let's do a big L, because my handwriting rules. And all of that. And then if you wish to do this on another page, you can come over here and have a brand new page, and then all of your pages will be listed up right through here. You can delete pages with this one right here. Copy a page in case you have any need for that. You can save it, open one that you've already had filed. In this other tools, you have one new feature, and that is that you can insert images and even select backgrounds in case you do not want to use the regular whiteboard and you instead want to use the black or the regular chalkboard. Mr. Burke would appreciate this. Your graph paper, different styles of graph paper, lined paper, which might actually help me to make sure that my writing isn't quite as ugly as it seems to always be. So those are some cool things. And then over here is where you can actually go picture within a picture, so that I can see both my desktop as well as what I was doing on the whiteboard. And then of course I can come over here and save anything that I was doing by hitting this and then naming it what I would like. I'm going to hit cancel for that though. So yeah, I hope this little video helps you with just some of the basics. Let me know if you have any other questions.